Touchscreen display. Most Windows laptops come with a touchscreen. The idea is that touching your screen to scroll and tap is more intuitive than using a trackpad. The problem is your laptop is sitting on a desk at an angle that makes reaching the screen feel like an arm workout. So you touch it once to try it, leave a fingerprint the size of your entire hand on the display, and then never touch it again. The screen just sits there, slightly smudged, silently judging your posture. Laptop manufacturers have been adding touchscreens to Windows laptops for over a decade. Most people use the trackpad every time. Number pad. The number pad is a block of extra number keys added to the right side of larger laptops. Accountants love it. Everyone else has a problem with it. Because when you add a number pad to a laptop keyboard, the main keyboard gets pushed to the left to make room, which means the keyboard is no longer centered in front of you. Which means your hands are slightly off-center every time you type, which means your posture is slightly off every time you use the laptop, for a device most people spend 8 hours a day on. Laptop manufacturers keep adding number pads because the spec sheet looks more impressive. Your spine keeps paying the price. 360-degree hinge. Some laptops have a hinge that lets you fold the screen all the way back until the laptop becomes a tablet. In the demo videos, this looks genuinely impressive. A 2-in-1 device, the versatility, the possibilities. In real life, you fold it into tablet mode once to try it, realize the laptop is now too heavy and too thick to comfortably hold like a tablet, fold it back, and never do it again. The keyboard is now facing backwards on the desk, while you use it as a tablet, which makes the whole thing feel slightly wrong. Convertible laptops cost more than regular laptops. Most people use them as regular laptops the entire time they own them. If your laptop has at least 2 of these features sitting completely unused, like this video, you are not alone, and the numbers will prove it. AI or Copilot key. Microsoft added a dedicated Copilot key to new Windows laptops. A whole physical key on your keyboard specifically for opening an AI assistant. It sits right next to the spacebar where your thumb naturally rests, which means you activate it by accident constantly. You are typing normally, your thumb grazes the key, and suddenly Copilot is open in the middle of your screen, asking how it can help when you are just trying to finish a sentence. Microsoft put an AI button on the keyboard before most people had decided whether they even wanted AI on their laptop. The commitment to the bit is impressive. The placement is not. Webcam Shutter. Some laptops have a physical slider that covers the webcam for privacy. You slide it across, and the camera is physically blocked. Which sounds useful until you forget it is there. Join a video call, spend 3 minutes troubleshooting why your camera is not working, check every setting, restart the app, and then notice the tiny slider you moved 2 weeks ago and forgot about. The webcam shutter solves a real problem. The problem is, it creates a slightly more embarrassing problem every time you forget it exists, and you will forget it exists. Bloatware. Every laptop brand installs their own companion apps before the laptop reaches you. HP has HP Support Assistant, Dell has Dell Support Assist, Lenovo has Vantage, and Asus has My Asus. Each one runs in the background, uses memory, and sends you notifications about updates you never asked for. Some of them are genuinely useful for drivers and diagnostics. Most people never open them intentionally. They just sit in the system tray, running quietly, contributing to the reason your brand new laptop feels slower than it should within the first week of owning it. Subscribe if a laptop brand app has ever sent you a notification you did not understand and could not explain. FN lock. The FN key is supposed to let you access secondary functions on your keyboard by holding it down. FN lock is a feature that makes those secondary functions permanent without you holding anything. Which sounds useful for people who use function keys constantly. The problem is the FN lock activates silently. There is no obvious indicator that it is on. So one day you press F5 to refresh a page, and instead your screen brightness changes. You press F2 to rename a file, and your volume goes up. You spend 5 minutes convinced your keyboard is broken before someone tells you about FN lock. Every laptop has it. Almost nobody knows what it does until it has already confused them. Built-in optical drive. Some laptops still ship with a CD and DVD drive built in, a slot on the side of the laptop for inserting physical discs that most people have not used since 2012. Laptop manufacturers include it because some industries still use discs for software installation and data transfer. For everyone else, it is a slot that collects dust, adds weight to the laptop, and serves as a reminder that somewhere out there, someone is still burning CDs. If you have used the optical drive on your laptop in the last 12 months, drop it in the comments because that is a story worth hearing. And those are the most useless laptop features explained, simply and honestly. Drop the one that drives you crazy in the comments. YouTube already has the next video ready for you. It is right there on your screen. See you there.